Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. Previously, we saw that the price line of Stellar was trying to break out this 28 cents resistance level. Now, we can see that the price action is still moving very close to this resistance. And in today's video, we will try to analyze whether the price action will be successfully able to break out this resistance or it will be rejected and move towards the downside. Before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link I have shared in the video's description. Now let me to show you this chart first. And previously we were watching on the small time frame chart. The price action formed this triangle here, and after breaking out the resistance of the triangle, hit the target of this triangle and move down back. And here it has also formed an uptrend line support as well. And at the same time, the price action on this small time frame, 4-hourly time frame chart, has formed this broadening formation as well. And you can see that whenever it is being rejected or it is getting bounced by this support of this triangle, almost every time it is forming higher than the previous highs. Here the price action was not able to reach the resistance, move down, and again form another higher high. Now this time we can see that once again the price action has dropped at this support of the broadening formation, and if it will start another move from here towards the upside, then next move can be approximately at 30 cents, and in that situation the price action can break out this next resistance of 28 cents that we have already watched in my previous video as well, that the price action was struggling to break out this resistance on the long-term weekly time frame. We can see that we are having two resistance levels at the same time, like we are having this 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame and this 28 cents resistance level, the price level resistance at the same time. Previously, the price action was bounced by this very strong and key level support of 20 cents, and now it is trying to break out this next resistance of 28 cents. So we cannot say that it is rejected so far, because we have a very strong hope, the price action is again at this support of the broadening formation, even though it is a smaller time frame chart. But this is a very good hope for us that the price action can break out the next resistance of 28 cents, because the next target is at least 30 cents once the price action will be moved up from here. And we don't have only a 28 cents resistance level, we also have a 35 cents, and this 25 simple moving average on the weekly time frame will be also a very strong resistance, because it's moving towards the downside. It is possible that before 35 cents maybe it will be moved down, because this is a small time frame moving average. It can move to the downside very fast, and before 35 cents, or exactly when the price action will be reached at 35 cents, it will be moved here, or before this it will work as a resistance. So we also have these price level resistance levels. At the same time, we are also having these simple moving average resistance levels as well. So it is very important for the price line to cross up and move above these simple moving averages. Once the price line will be able to cross up all these simple moving averages, then it will be really easy for the price line to break out all these resistance levels, because the simple moving averages also lift the price action towards the upside as well. Now let me to show you, at the same time the price action is also testing the exponential moving average 21. Previously we saw that the price action broke out the EMA 10 and EMA 21 on the daily time frame, and we also received a bull cross. This EMA 10 crossed up this EMA 21. And previously I told you that when the smaller time frame moving average crosses up the bigger time frame, that produces a rally towards the upside. Like previously we have been watching, whenever we are receiving these bull crosses, like this blue line, the EMA 10 has been crossing up this EMA 21, the red line. We have been watching these rallies towards the upside. Same as like that, we were expecting a rally, but now the price line, after breaking out these two EMAs, is now retesting the EMA 21 on the daily time frame at the same time, while it is also testing this uptrend line support of the broadening formation. So this EMA 21 is also very important at this time, because from here the price action after this correction can move towards the upside. But if the price action will break down this support of EMA 21 on the daily time frame, then it can move down again to retest this 20 cents price level support. So this is very important time for the Stellar coin, because once it will start and move towards the upside from here, it will break out. There are very strong chances that it will break out the next very strong resistance of 28 cents and this 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. Now let me to recall this pattern. That is a very big bullish cipher pattern that has been formed on the weekly time frame. I shared this pattern at the Patreon and then with you as well, and let me to share the targets for this bullish cipher pattern with you. And the sell targets, according to the Fibonacci retracement, the Fibonacci sequence of this cipher, are from 44.39 cents and goes to 67.57 cents. However, I'm expecting after such a big bullish reversal from such a huge pattern, the price action can even break out this 70 cents resistance level as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link to join me here in the video's description, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis you can find. Take care. Goodbye.